Good morning. If you're new to my channel, I always start my vlogs off by turning the TV down. I have already taken a shower, as you can see, and done my hair and makeup. I went ahead and added some of my layered necklaces. Sorry, the lighting is awful. Here we go. It's a little bit better. And I'm about to film a video. I wish I had more time in today, but we're gonna be leaving, my daughter and I are gonna be leaving early to go to my brother's house because we always celebrate Christmas on the 26th with them. So, and I still have to get stuff for the white elephant thing that we're doing, and I'm also supposed to bring dessert. So it is, oh my gosh, it's almost 10. I've gotta sit down, film the video for my main channel, and literally just do no editing, just so that I can drop it into the software and get it exported. So I'm gonna do that really quick, and then I don't even know what else will be done on this vlog, but the house is very dirty. Let me show you. There's a lot of tidying up that needs to be done. Here's Loxie's stuff. Her bed is in there because she sleeps with me. These are all of her new toys. The couch needs a serious fluffing. I've got wires all over the place. I've got puzzles all over the place. Pillows all over the place. And then you can see the tree. I haven't even plugged the tree in this morning. And yeah, there's stuff that needs to be vacuumed. The floor needs to be vacuumed. Over in the kitchen, it's just, there's a lot back there that needs to be done. The crock pot and all that needs to be cleaned. So lots of vacuuming, lots of dusting, tidying up. This is basically like the main part of the house. My room needs it as well. You know, the patio needs a good cleaning. I feel like everything is starting to just get cluttered. And you guys know that I love, like, I guess you could say a cluttered look. I don't think that's the right word because I literally just said I don't like clutter. But I like a cozy, compact look, I guess you could say. But what's going out there is not cozy nor compact. It's just cluttered. I have stuff from my niece painting. I've got a barbecue girl that's half put together. I've got leaves and dust and dead bugs and all of that out there, and it just needs to be cleaned. Now, the question is that going to happen today? There's that, but obviously, you know, I'm still trying to enjoy Christmas decorations. I'm going to keep it up for a little bit longer, but I will be putting stuff up soon, and I'll probably like start upstairs and get that done in the next couple of days and kind of like leave the main stuff out. So I'm gonna go ahead and plug in the tree so that she's nice and sparkly. Getting some of the stuff tidied up. I did the best that I could out there, but there's really no place to put the barbecue grill because it's going where, I don't know. Honestly, I don't even know where it's going, but it's not going there. But there's also firewood out there, so there's that. And I tidied up the couch. That one always is just like, doesn't have the same amount of filling. So honestly, I didn't even bother. but I should have because it just looks... So anyways, got that done. As you can see, I've got my laptop there that's uploading the video that I filmed. So I did get it all filmed and, you know, straightened up a little bit. I still have to take care of the floors. The floors look pretty bad. I am so glad that I'm just sitting down for a minute because I just need to rest, but I wanted to show you guys what I got. I did film what I got for Christmas earlier today, which I talked about and got that video uploaded, but then I went to my brother's house to celebrate Christmas and I got some presents over there. So I kind of thought I'd tell you guys how that went. So my daughter and I made our way out there. First I stopped and got some gift cards and things to do for like the white elephant, and then I did like a really funny, I wish I like filmed me doing this, but I took some Dollar Tree games that I bought, the ice hockey one and then the basketball one. If you catch all my, even if you probably caught all of my hauls, you have no idea what I'm talking about, but They're just like these little desk toys basically, and I hid a gift card in between them and I taped them together. So anyways, we went to my brother's house and we had dinner with my aunt, uncle, and cousins and things like that. And then we did the white elephant gift exchange. Which was really funny because my daughter's gift got stolen every time. Every time the poor thing got a gift, it got stolen from her. It was just so funny. And I'll show you guys what I got. And I was number 4, so nobody actually stole from me at all. And I was really happy because I got a Yeti and it's navy blue. You guys know I absolutely love this color, so it's perfection. And you also probably can tell that I love drinking out of tumblers. I never go to bed anymore without water by my side. So I got that. That was the white elephant gift exchange. Then we played a really funny card game, and it was absolutely hilarious. My niece opened her gifts. She loved them. She loved the Peppa Pig like shopping mall that I got her. She loved the car with like towing the trailer thing. And they sang happy birthday to me, which was really, really sweet, and even got me like a little mini cake and stuff like that. So it was a really fun night. We were there for quite a while. We got there at like 4 and got home at like 9. So had a blast. Now I'll show you guys what I got. So my sister-in-law is hilarious. She's been after me this Christmas. She's like, when are you putting up your video? When are you putting up your video, the what I want for Christmas? Because that's where she likes to like get her ideas. Look what she did. And I was telling her, I was like, do you know how long I had this on my Amazon list? I had this on my list for years. And then my brother was telling me that he got me something very nostalgic, and I had no idea he was gonna do this. So I used to love Lite-Brites. As a matter of fact, I remember when I scored that find from Dollar Tree with like the mini version of the Lite-Brites. Who remembers that? And he got me this. And let me just show you guys how they're looking these days, because obviously this is not an exact replica of the original Lite-Brite. And anyways, it was really cute. And then the next gift that they got me are the Reeboks Harmon Classics. I honestly did not expect that. I did not expect to get tennis shoes, but I did. And these have also been on my Amazon wish list for a hot minute. I talked about these in that video about how there was like this outfit that I found, you know, and the girl on Pinterest was wearing shoes. Either it was this exact shoe or just something very similar, but they're just like white tennis shoes. And I feel like with the style that I've been like sharing, you know, from like all my Shein hauls, I think these are gonna pair with so many outfits. Okay, the next thing, I am gonna go to bed really soon, but I have to talk about this book right here. So if you're just not into like books, then this could be the end of the haul for you. But if you love following like my book journey and you love me talking about books, I just wanted to quickly throw in a review of this. So this is Julie Garwood, and this is called The Gift. And I honestly was like putting this one off to read. I really don't know why. I think I got kind of caught up in her contemporary series, which I'm just like obsessed with. So I finally just decided to pull this one and read it, and I cannot believe what a gem this is. But honestly, every one of her books is a gem. And the way that she wrote this character, I was laughing so hard. There have been several books where I have laughed, like just gut deep. I don't know, for me, maybe it may not be everybody's experience, but just she writes these characters who are, I can't even describe it. I feel like I'm so accustomed to Joanna Lindsey's writing and the way that she writes her own writing style, right? Which is very different from any other author. And Julie Garwood in my opinion, does this thing where she'll write a character that's supposed to be living in like the 1800s, but they have such a modern day 2000s, like 2010s, like whatever you want to say. We're in the 20s now, but you get what I'm saying. I feel like she gives them like this modern flair a little bit to their personality, and it just cracks me up. And the way that she wrote Sarah, that's the name of the main girl, is so freaking hilarious. She made her very accident prone, and it's just incredibly charming. I was doubled over with laughter, honestly, and I loved it. And this book, like, from the very first chapter, you guys, from the very first sentence, this book was like on it. She didn't like take time to dive in. And listen, some books just require that, so I definitely do appreciate that's not all books get off to like this big start, because sometimes you do have to build certain information, you know, to make the entire concept, you know, thrilling. But it's also nice to sometimes get a break and just take me there right this second, you know. And she does that with this book. Basically, he marries, it's like West Side Story, or like, you know, Juliet and Romeo kind of thing with the families, like the feuding families. So their families like hate each other. The king basically makes them sign a contract, and to kill the feud, one from each family has to like marry each other. So this boy is 14 at the time that they create this contract, and she's 4 years old. So literally goes to the altar with her, and she's like drooling on him, kind of thing. She's like 4 years old, and passes out in his arms while they're getting married. And then of course he leaves, and he doesn't take her because she's 4 years old. And she grows up, and she's like waiting for him, you know. She's like, okay, I'm 18 now, kind of thing. Like, I'm grown up, like, come pick up your bride, kind of thing. And he comes to get her, and it is just so good. I don't want to give it away. I don't want to like dive into too much. There's a really good storyline, a really good plot, like outside of their own relationship. But yeah, so there's that. So I highly recommend this book. It's basically the point of my story. Alright, anyways, that's it for today's vlog. I hope that you guys enjoyed. I am, yeah, I'm gonna be going to Dollar Tree in the morning. I'm really glad I haven't been there in a couple of days, which for me, that's a long time. That's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm gonna go crawl into bed. I'm gonna grab Loxie's bed first. I'm gonna put it there. She's upstairs with my daughter right now. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna go to sleep, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.